So now that we've talked about the process and the mechanism breathing, we're going to focus on the gas exchanges that are occurring in the body. So like we said earlier, oxygen is needed to produce ATP. So it's going to have to be supplied to all of the cells. And the carbon dioxide that is produced by cellular respiration is going to need to be removed from the body. Respiration includes the exchange of gases not only in the lungs, but also in the tissues. And this is going to be ultimately governed by the principles of diffusion to determine whether or not oxygen or carbon dioxide are entering or leaving the blood. So here, for example, in the system or at the cellular level, we have carbon dioxide present. So we have an abundance of carbon dioxide inside of the cell. So carbon dioxide is going to diffuse out of the cell and oxygen is going to diffuse in. Once we reach our internal respiration, or once we get to wherever we need to go into the body, we're going to see oxygen rush out and carbon dioxide rush in. Then those cells are going to be taken back to the lungs, where carbon dioxide in a high concentration is going to rush out and oxygen is going to rush in. And then we're going to go over to our cells where oxygen is going to rush in and carbon dioxide is going to rush out. So that's it for this section. It's pretty straightforward, but you should know sort of the differences between external respiration and internal respiration, and how hemoglobin is going to carry oxygen and carbon dioxide in the bloodstream in order to transport those gases wherever they need to go. You can ignore this last one. This one is about the pressures of both external and internal respiration. Really what you need to know is that oxygen and carbon dioxide are both going to be moving down their concentration gradient. They're going to be moving from areas of high concentration to areas of low concentration. Whether we are in the lungs or in the body cells, we are always going to be following our concentration gradient.